Still thank you. Yeah, they're so
Anong cute ni Dora?
Basa ko Dara. Miss Dara.
Oh my gosh, lumalala na kayo.
Hey!
You gotta get yourself checked.
Yeah, true. Guys.
Oh, that's nice. Smells really good. Gulay? Is that chicken? Or pork? I think it's pork. It's pork. Kain kayo, guys. What is your dinner? Anong dinner niyo?
Tapos,
Sarap?
tapos,
Naya, rambutan, ganda-ganda. Ano ba?
hello po.
Nakakapagtimpi lang ako kasi wala ako sa bahay.
Tama.
Soft girl. Walang kaibigan.
Nahawa lang talaga ako sa kanila. Bakit?
Umiikot siya.
Yeah.
Parang wala na siyang ano.
Imagine, pupunta ka sa IKE, tapos may sakit ng sisi.
May sisiw, yes. Whoa! Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for the heart.
Thank you po. Naya, Gcash ko.
Hey! I need that for food tomorrow. I'm gonna grab food my breakfast tomorrow. So, we gotta mute this. Thank you so much, Jillian. Thank you, Julia.
That's good meat. I thought it's like...
I thought then. Thank you, Yor. Thank you, Adrian. Thank you, Jeka. Hello, 2K viewers. How are you doing? Hello, chat. Thank you. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Jess. Thank you, JM.
Papaayos na ako ng hair na.
Salamat for the roses. Everybody. Hey, Yunalyn, come here. Guys, see you sa Muntinlupa. See you, everybody. Happy birthday, Jillian. See you. Shout out sa mga ano. Pamilya ko dyan.
Kaya ba?
See you sa Muntinlupa, people.
May space. Ganda ng pwesto natin dito.
Hey!
Hindi na siya naiikot pa.
Nag-film kayo. Nasa set po kami ng Kamao. Yan.
Eh, ikaw.
Abangan.
Sali ako sa
Wow.
Abangan. Hey!
Mama Brie.
Kay Mama Brie ang aming makeup artist.
Yeah. At sa kanya hairstylist.
isang check.
Hey!
Taw-taw.
Kayo, mates.
Hi, you mates.
Wow, there's
See
a lot
you
of
sa
you.
Muntinlupa. Sa mga pupunta sa Muntinlupa, see you there. See you there. Magsuntukan tayo.
Yeah.
Bigyan niyo ako. Jeneline, thank you so much. Thank you, Haru. Ooh, Haru. Did you watch Extraordinary You?
Ano nga yun?
Kay drama.
Sinimulan ko siya kaso hindi ko.
Thank you, Gianna. Thank you, Ja.
Asan si Megan?
Kailangan ko man
Hi po, Ate Naya. Sana hindi totoo yung last duty ko. Wala, sayang. Feeling ko ano ka ulit.
Hello,
Makaka-duty ka ulit. Makaka-duty ka ulit, Adrian.
balik ka.
Promise. I feel. Makaka-duty ka ulit. Ang aming medic. Ang aming medic. Thank you, Gianna. Thank you, Sachi. Uy, Sachi, you're here? Ate Je, thank you so much. Thank you, Lenny.
Asin.
Yes, Yunan Fea is here.
Medyo. Pero hindi na.
Thank you, Adrian. Thank you, nurse.
I love it.
Thank you, Benzi.
I know, right?
Thank you, Brel.
Nahawa na talaga ako sa inyo.
Nawal.
Yung pagsasalita ko.
Hey, it's nice kaya.
Naya rambutan?
O, tinan mo. Kakainis eh.
Bakit rambut? Ay, yung buhok mo. Ah, yung pinakita mo. Okay.
Diba?
Go lang guys, gawin nyo lang.
Hey!
Keep it up.
You're rage baiting your idol?
I encourage
Like
you
my
all.
fandom is just, hey, come here.
Hey,
Come here.
hey, come here.
Come here right now.
Kaya nga, nagkakabit pa siya. Ay. Aww.
Hey, she's gonna cry.
She's gonna cry.
Oh, Bobot. Oy, sus, oy, sus. Hey,
Megan.
that's sus. Get away from me.
Hey, I want something sweet.
Oh! What?
Unsa man na. Bakla ka na. Meron ako dito.
I can see the light.
Brother.
Hey! No! Hey!
Mag-shake ba yan?
I will fight you guys. No!
Sorry po. Sorry, wait lang. Ay, sorry.
Did you see that? Yes, galing.
I will not see that on my feed.
Hey, a fan gave this to us. Thank you so much. Salamat sa'yo. Mga vlogger. Yan. Yes. Salamat. I told them we are the set of Kamao.
Ang saya daw.
It's okay.
Sabihin mo. Ingon sila.
Ingon sila.
Hilom.
What does that mean? Ingon sila hilom.
Ingon sila hilom.
Ingon sila hilom.
Kay,
Kay.
saba, kayo mi. Saba.
Sabi nila maingay na kayo. Ingon sila
Ingon
hilom.
sila hilom.
Ingon sila hilom saba kayo. Saba, uy. Saba, di mo, uy.
Si imposter.
Always know. Saba, di mo. Saba, kid. Ingon sila hilom. Saba kayo.
Kasi may basa ako dito, di ko alam. Pinifigure ko kanya saan ko siya nakuha.
Bro, ang baba na boses mo ngayon ah.
Ha?
Medyo mababa boses mo. Like the placement.
Kasi nga hindi ko alam kung kasi paano ko meron na to.
Yeah. That's why.
Kasi meron kaming scene ni Zephanie. Abangan niyo to.
Hey! Hey, you're making it a stress ball?
She's so cute, guys. I don't know why.
Hey?
Do you have hair parang pang eggshell?
Yes, I do. You talk to them? Hey!
Leave me here, mom. Bantayin mo na si Olive.
Guys, pakibantay nga tong alaga ko.
Baka pumunta na namang bar.
Can you babysit my kid for a moment? Brother, I'm scared, Mom. Mom, pick me up. Mom, pick me up.
Hi, guys. Hey, manood kayo sa Muntinlupa. Like, marami kami doon mag-perform. Sana magpunta kayo, please. Pag pumunta kayo, nice. Bigyan ko kayo ng tig-isang candy. What if umigay tayo ng candy?
Ate Paula.
Ano yun? Ano tawag doon? Parin. Hey! Yung mga nips. Brother. May ipis saan?
Saan? I'm gonna fight you.
Where is that? Shoutout kay Ayesha.
Yun si Julian.
Julian. King Julian. I can't anymore. Hey, my girl, is on the curtain. Hey, my girl. Why did you tap her? Why? My nose is here now. Gano'n niya mo. Disgusting. Disgusting. Let it go.
This one, this is the brush.
It's a blush?
Yes.
Oh my god, yeah, I saw this. Can you use this for your lips?
I don't know. Wait, that's a good shade.
Inhaler. Inhaler yan, bro. It's really thick. Hey! I'm gonna like put my nails on.
That hurts me.
Look at this. It's probably
Yeah. Vlogger.
Bruh.
Plaza vlogger.
Oh my god,
Walaan niyo ipaperform namin sa AOS bukas.
Hey! Manood kayo, okay? Live. Diba?
Yes.
12?
Yes. 12 noon.
Watch it.
Or else.
Laro tayo. Okay. Let's play the, yung game na, you're gonna say a letter. I'm gonna say a letter. Dapat makabuo tayo ng word. You're gonna say the first letter, and I'm the last. Okay, game. 3, 2, 1, L.
Again. Dapat same tayo. Ano ba?
Like, kasi you're gonna say M. I'm gonna say N. Oh my god. Okay, tayo ng word. You're gonna be the first letter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, F.
A.
Arf.
It's not a word. I don't know. Again. You first word.
Okay. Ako first?
Yeah, first letter.
1, 2, 3, T.
M.
T.
Ano yung T? Hindi mo card TM. Record. Has to be a word.
Ah, sa story.
Team.
Okay, you won.
Again. Okay.
Ako pa rin, first letter.
Ako na.
1, 2, 3,
Y.
D.
Yarn.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna set it. 1, 2, 3, ice.
Isis?
Ano yun? Ano yun?
It's a
E.
gantry.
Ay, ba yun? Ay, ba A?
Isis. A-Y.
Parada.
Okay, again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, B.
Ano na sabi mo? No letter. 1, 2, 3.
C.
Sack.
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, B.
F. Barf. Barf.
Oh, there's a barf.
Oh. Again.
Okay, sino
Ako
first
na
letter?
left first.
1, 2, 3, C. C? Ano daw?
T. C.
B and C? T, C. T and C? Thick. I know, that's good. T-H-I-C-C. Shitty. Or ano?
Tick. As in T-I-C.
Thick. T-I-C. Please and...
Yeah.
Okay, ako first letter. I will drink later.
Yeah. Again.
My first letter. 1, 2, 3, F.
D.
Food.
Pa. Okay.
You first letter. 1, 2, 3,
R.
V. V?
V yung dulo.
Rave.
Hindi.
Rararo. V? R and V?
R&B. Rhythm and blues.
Parang walang hirap.
Wala.
Okay. Ako first letter.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, D.
H.
Ang hirap na to, bro. Dough.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
Yung dugtungan, dugtungan. That's hard, yung dugtungan. That's I'm gonna say, light.
Bulb.
Bulb. Light.
Hey?
Bulb wire?
It's Barb.
It's a bulb. Barb wire.
No. It's Barb. B-A-B. B-A-R-B.
Si Bob.
Sino si Bob?
Bob wire? Bob wire?
Blah, blah, blah.
Ah, di ba ang hirap? Like,
What about,
you first.
control.
Center.
Center
Ano po yung dito?
of attraction.
Attraction of love. Hindi mo babalik.
No.
Sino yun? Okay, fine. Puto.
Hey, it's not.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Ang hirap po kasi iwas. Ang hirap.
Bilis. Hello, hello. Si Giselle, hinahanap nila.
Nasa bar yun.
Nagpa-party.
Nagpa-party siya.
Nagpa-party.
At wala ka daw sa family feud.
I don't know. Basta,
Andun siya.
legit ba may album launch next Saturday sa SM Muntinlupa? Taga Muntinlupa.
Oh my God, Eya, I remember you. Ikaw nag-edit sa amin ni JC. Yeah.
Wow!
Thank you so much.
See you there.
Guys, please, like, punta kayo kasi it's our
Muntinlupa.
first small show.
Malapit.
After we air. Yeah. First small show after we air.
Yes.
Banding tayo ba?
Magsigawan tayo doon.
Marami kang before. Like, host. Like, what?
Parang whole cast na ngayon. See you, everybody. See you, Muntinlupa.
Bakit nasa ulo mo si Nate?
Hey!
Nate?
Hey!
Okay ka lang ba? Hindi daw siya.
Pero di mapigilan
Okay,
na
magiging din ni Jenny.
mahulog
Tapakan mo.
sa'yo.
Sa'yo.
Yun sa marabo. Ito, ang ganda na to.
May gusto na ba sa'yo?
Yes! You're pretty. So pretty. Lag na naman.
Gusto ko ng matamis.
Anong lag na naman?
Why are you hurting your fan?
Because they always say lag. It's not even lag. They just, rage baiting me.
Lag, is that a gift?
Bro, lag ang connection group.
Bakit sila? What's a lag?
Lag daw ako.
Like, kinakamad nila yung word?
What's a lag?
No, like, kinakamad mo nila yung word.
Ha?
Kaya nagaganto.
Most sent. Lag daw ako. They are rage baiting me.
You're likable.
Hey. Hey.
Pagkapag
Hey. Hey.
Kay Selena Gomez. Ano yun? Are you a fan of Selena?
Not really. Ma.
Ito na ba yung Meek? No? She is Althea.
I am
What's your
Althea.
surname?
Torres.
Oh,
Yeah.
Althea Torres.
Torres.
Hi, Keisha. Hey, I'm not here to snow. I will not
Hey.
agree to that.
She's a halari.
Hindi
She
mabubuo
doesn't
yung
do
Megan.
hiatus.
Hindi mabubuo yung Megan. Hindi mabubuo yung Megan.
Hindi mo buo ang Megan kung walang Yumi.
It makes sense.
Thank you so much, Leslie.
Napanood niyo ba yung
Meron.
Sorry.
Meron.
Napanood niyo ba yung Word of Shame kanina?
Panood ko. Kanina pinanood namin.
Ano nangyari?
Ano na to? Wala na to. Hindi.
Am I out?
Oh, the guy with, ano, yung kay Anton.
Right.
Yes.
Harap niyo si Metsi sa akin.
Betsy, hindi ka daw dito. Hey! You're mean?
Ako gusto na matamis.
Hi, Keisha! Hello, Keisha! Let's welcome our next guest, everybody. Hey. It's not here. What? It's not here. Our next guest. So, kamusta ka naman? How's life?
Okay naman. Medyo pagod lang. Pero
Unang tanong. Lights on. Or
blinking. Oh my God! Why? I like it.
we shine.
Yeah, we shine.
We rise.
Yeah.
You're very good. You're very nice. Hindi nga nilag. Thank you so much, Tadeo. Hoy, AOS bukas ah.
Oo nga pa. May pag-ibig na ako matangos.
Ha?
Matangos.
Matamis? Ano? Gusto ko ng milk tea.
Coco.
Probably get mine by
Sino Coco? Hey!
Hey?
Why are you speaking bad words?
Hey?
Hey!
You come here. I will take you now because I will fall. Nulo kasi ako ni Mitzi, guys.
Uy! Oh!
Bro?
Kahit kailan talaga panakit ng babae.
Oh! There's a beef right here.
Kailan niyo ako?
There's... Sakit-sakit oh. Grabe.
Grabe. Gusto pa rin ko.
Hey?
Di ba Bisaya yun?
It's not. Grabe.
Ang bilis mo.
Apa ka. So fast. And I need so fast. Like,
Ano mas gusto niyo?
lutong bahay sopas.
Yung chicken or yung atay?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Atay.
Hindi kasi ako masahog eh.
Parang mga yung something.
Ang gusto ko lang masahog yung, ano,
May
cabbage.
Capsicum.
Can I have some
Capsicum.
Carrots.
Can I have some
Carrot.
Hikama.
Capsicum. I want
Do you
the
like
capsicum.
Do you like hikama?
What's the hikama?
It's hikamas.
hikama?
I love hikama.
Sikamas. So it's gonna be hikama at talong. Cigarillas at... Hey, you laugh? Thank you, Rita.
No, I don't want that. Gusto ko matamis.
I want Ferrero.
What? So many things? I want you.
Hey!
Oh, the legs. Ang ganda posture. Hey! Don't forget.
She's still baking? Yes. Still baking? Why are you bouncing like that? Sabi ng mga U-mates.
that?
Sabi ng U-mates.
Dinner break.
Ay,
They are still
Nagano na tayo dyan.
Bilis kasi.
Uy, go.
Pag pinansin niyo ako, hey! That was close. Oh. That was close.
Or ano? Or image.
We're live. We're live.
Why, what did you saw? What did you saw?
Inisabi mo sana, sabi niya bias ka lang sa Born to be Wild.
Ganun.
So, anong animal ka?
Jowa ko, animal.
If animal ka, aside sa dog, what would you be?
I would be
Ex ko, animal.
capybara.
Kami ni,
Capybara.
bro, masaya mo ba yun? Sinabi niyo ba yun? Masaya ko yun? Meron.
What?
How about you?
Me? Cat? Or bunny?
Bunny.
Yeah, more of like a bunny.
Me, if not cat, panda.
Hey, I love pandas.
Why did you not say it?
But why are you? What's your explanation?
Panda? Yeah, siguro kay iBooks ko.
Oh, no.
Hey, no.
That's me!
That's us. Because we're very there.
No, malala talaga bro. When I wake up, like... Who is this? Like, oh my God.
I'm scared of myself.
Who are you, bro? Minsan talaga nagugulat ako pag puyat. Tapos wala kang maayos sa tulog. Kailangan mo gumising maaga kasi may trabaho, di ba? Grabe, malala siya. Nakatulog ka. Maganda naman.
Maganda naman.
Pero pili ko si Naya mas ano ka? Koala.
Bakit?
Yung may mga nakaan.
Oo.
Am I clingy? Postura. Nakanganga. Yung mga kwala ba nakanganga? Akala ko nakaganyan.
May bueno ba yun? Slow mo ba? Ay, ano pinagay mo yung starship? Ano pinagay mo?
Malaki yun, be. Malaki yun.
Malaki yung kwala, yung tarsier.
Starship ka din. Hindi ko pala, di ba ang tawag ito starship? Amin, sino man yan?
Same thing.
Di ko alam na gano'n
I have.
Ano sila kalit?
It's like this?
Pero yun na yung
Like the size of your palm?
Yun na yung, like, yun talaga yung...
Normal na size ng ano. Kaya mo to. Kaya natin to.
9 a.m. pa kami.
Yun yung normal size ng mga ano. Tarsier.
Pag ginawa ko sa beach, hindi ko kaya.
Thank you, RM.
Buti hindi ka natawa sa akin kahapon. Saan? Sa scene.
Si Amelia nga kinaya ko.
Tik na nga.
Where ka din? Abangan nyo guys.
Ano ba ito? Kaya niya si Amelia. Kaya ba yan?
Hey, come here.
Hey, come here.
Come here right now.
Oh
Oh,
my God.
oh, she's intimidating.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
what's on your head?
Why do you have a battery?
Alam mo yung fish na may bukol?
Yeah,
Oh!
Ano tawag mo sa ganun? Batterhead.
Hey, come here. I'm gonna pat that battery.
I'm tired.
Why?
Oops.
Wow!
Happy New Year!
Hey! Thank you so much, RM!
Sabi, Monster!
Ramonsta.
Is that
Thank you so much.
No.
What's up?
The feel good latte
Salamat.
available only here in the Makati.
Oh.
Sit yummy.
But if you don't like strong taste, try it.
I have Mentos.
You.
So paano? Ikaw?
Hey, salamat for the heart.
Layo na lang natin.
You can taste the cinnamon. Yes.
Cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
It's like it. I'm tired. I'm tired from doing my makeup. Oh. Hey, you're so pretty.
So pretty naman. Ayan ang ayudan nyo.
World peace, world
I
peace.
wish you're my sister.
Oh, aren't you?
Ano masasabi mo?
Oh, she's a...
Oh my God.
It's so weird. I'm witnessing this live.
It's the acting. I don't like acting.
Hey. I'ma get my chair. I don't wanna sit on like a plastic chair.
Oh!
Hey, can we bring that down?
Oh, feeling dizzy.
Hey, my coffee!
I'm so sorry.
Hi.
Let's move the... Oh my God! Rabadabang. Oh. Mama Brie, baba na.
Akin na yan.
Baba ko na to, ma.
No, give it to me. I'm worth it.
Give it to me.
It's open.
Ayaw na.
It's open. It's open, babe. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna put this and get a proper chair.
I will get you.
Ay, baka kainin niyo to. Makanap niyo. Sorry.
Ayan ba? Hindi, isagad na lang
Ito, igano mo dito. Kasi yun natin nasasagad. Ayun.
There, we all share. Yes. We have a meeting.
We have a
Kaya kalabit.
Can you share ba?
Yes, you shouldn't have removed that.
No, it's a lot of space eh. Ayun o. Oh, I get it.
So, andito po kami because we want to make a statement about Yumi. In behalf of the management, we announced na magkakaroon po kami ng album launch sa Saturday. Yeah! Pumunta po kayo lahat.
Saturday?
Ay, Saturday. Not yet.
Not yet.
You're making next week, fans. Next week. Grabe no, like 18 na yun. Next week. Halfway
Nasa
na.
mid.
I know, oh my gosh. It's so fast. Why is... Bakit kaya ang bilis na ng panahon? Pero...
Here, ganyan? Hey!
Yan.
Yan. That to me.
Hey, what is the posture?
You're not seen? Hey! Oh my God!
You have liwanag there. Look at you. Yung ko like, pakita sa live. Me? Hindi ba? No?
Oh, it's the light.
Ay,
It's the light.
Oh, you... Hey, oh, you move here. You move here. Meganist.
What? You urong and then...
You meet. Who's you meet?
No, you urong your put here. Oh my God! Disgusting.
He's so bilis. The comment.
You're so smart. Are they still here? I think so.
I'm trying to read the comments.
It's so fast.
Can you...
Hey, you're so pretty there, oh. Yeah, you're like the center of the attraction.
The center of the...
Distraction.
Oh no. That's so weird.
Ako kasi mamagalit ako sa ganyan.
I will let Makmak like punch.
Knock out you.
Knock.
Right hook. Ikaw may nakanood ng Atom. Paano yung real feel si Atom?
I'm sleepy.
Oh no, sorry, lagubo. Labubo
Play
said.
the duktong word game.
Yes.
Sige.
Tapos kailangan mo tayo ng
Sige, you go first.
Oh no, no,
Hindi
wait,
naman
wait, wait.
sentence.
There's this game we used to play. It's ABC game. We're gonna tell a story, but our sentence has to start with the letter. Like, alam ko nung isang
Asa mo isang word or no?
Hindi.
Isang buong sentence?
Isang sentence. Basta
nice.
we get the story.
Okay.
I'm lost. Wait. Actually, tinanong ko siya. Kamusta siya? Tapos, nakita kasi kami sa coffee shop. Ayun.
Hindi, dudok mo ba?
You tell us story.
Wait, you say the A.
Okay, this is what we're gonna... Why are they so noisy outside? Can you tell them to quiet?
Hey, shush!
Hey, we're a guest pala. We're quiet. Ingay daw. Oh, no. What we're gonna do is we're gonna tell them the story.
The story.
So,
So,
don't ask me why. Wait, you tell a story.
Wait, but you're gonna start with A, diba? And I'm gonna go with B for the next sentence?
Yes.
Oh, right.
Can you hear us, guys? Okay. Narinig nila tayo. Okay, go. Andito na siya sa Pilipinas. Andito na siya sa Pilipinas and then nagkita kami sa coffee shop.
Balita ko nga, maayos yung interaction niya.
Sino ba to? Sino?
Si NU.
I was gonna say, get pizza.
So,
Say the story.
coffee shop, di ba?
Yes.
Coffee shop, di ba?
Yung isa pa. Coffee shop, di ba?
Coffee shop. Nag-usap kami doon. Nag-stay kami for like 2 hours.
Din kayo.
Coffee shop nga. Nag-usap kayo nag-usap. Ay, hindi. Ilang oras kayo nag-usap? Tanong.
Bakit ka nagtanong?
Okay lang yan, sentence mo rin.
Sige. Di ba, matagal mo na siyang iniintay? Kamusta naman yung pag-uusap niyo sa coffee shop? Ewan ko. Ewan ko talaga kung bakit ko ba to kinikwento. Eh kasi friend to nung friend ko. Ano daw? Oo.
Friend ng friend.
Friend ng friend ko yun.
Tapos kwento mo rin sa akin, friend ko siya dati.
Tapos ngayon, patuloy pa rin yung friendship niyo.
Okay, Chloe, Marcelo, Alex, Chloe.
Gusto kaya ba niya?
Si tanong, wrong grammar. Wrong grammar ang pagtanong.
Gusto kaya niya? Ano ba, Juban? I don't get it.
Gusto ko kaya niya?
Okay, kaya ko wala sa tanong mayabang. Yeah,
Is it,
kaya Alex, kaya iwan ka.
Ano pa tanong yun na?
H?
Okay, tapos na yung usapan. Last.
Ay, naku.
Tingin Last, sa susunod pa. Last, sa susunod pa. Second quarter. Yan.
Ala, oo.
Ang hirap.
Chloe, kaya Alex.
Yung dugo mo na lang na word?
Okay. Oh, go.
Sige.
What's that?
Ikaw word.
Ito ko titingin.
Any word. Ano natin?
Okay. Kaya Alex, sa dalawa sa pagkama. Sa baba, yan.
Oh my gosh.
Yung light.
Okay, ikaw.
Akala ko like,
Okay.
Okay.
my brain.
Okay. So, sino ang sunod ko?
Siya.
Okay. Water.
Tank. Build.
Salamin.
Build.
Build body.
Build. Ding. Building. Ding. Quiet, are you so noisy? I am not with them. I am not with them. Di ko po sila kilala. I am not ever involved in any of their... Yes, we're not associated. We're not...
Right now, they're just a projection.
Yes.
And we're showing them
Bravo.
May mantos na looks na.
Sorry.
Wait, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna get a pizza. Guys, is it everything? It's pepperoni.
Is it Hawaiian cheese?
Can you get more?
I want Hawaiian. Guys, anong favorite nyong pizza wrap flavor?
Syrup flavor.
Aray ko, hindi ako pinagpawis mo.
I want shrimp.
Hey, may shrimp.
Rambutan. Hey. Get away.
Meron ba shrimp?
Get away from me.
Big one mo shrimp. Shrimp?
Shrink?
Shrimp.
So, kumusta ka naman?
Okay naman. Alam mo, pangalawang tanong na sa akin.
What about me?
The olives or the...
What's your favorite flavor?
Hawaiian forever.
Yung may pineapple. With pineapple.
Yes.
You like?
So, kung sino man dyan merong ayaw ng pineapples on pizza, huwag na kayong manood ng live na to.
I don't like pineapple.
This is the pizza wrap. What's that? Is that bacon? I don't like bacon. Ayun. And I can eat but not too much. Look, it's so quite. I want some hot sauce. Hot sauce? I want ketchup. Hot sauce. Dinner break. Break dinner. Okay, kaya sa commercial ka.
Oh, go.
You make sure you need to.
Ikaw.
Commercial.
That's good, go.
Last bite. Commercial.
Last bite? Like Bona?
Wow. Wow.
Ano yan to? Ikaw. Ay, ikaw.
Lalagyan mo hot sauce and then you're gonna be so excited.
I'm gonna get another one.
Wow. Go.
Hey! I don't like hot
Not yet, not done.
It.
Yeah. Hola, hola.
No.
So, ito na yung fight. Alright, sigurado ka.
Gusto mo ba nila dark dark doon?
Tingnan mo lang sa colors. Oh. Okay, guys. Second round. Second round. Ito. Takot for mama. Super saya namin.
Oh my God, I forgot. Round tubig.
I have. Just when you smile,
There's a name.
Okay, ready?
Ano? Wala ba silang juice dyan? Oh, siya ba? Ito ma, chef.
Okay.
Hey, you don't eat the bread?
I do. I'm waiting.
You you were like looking at me. Ba?
Okay, ready? Nakapupo kayo mga alas.
Hindi mo kaya. Kaya yung buong pizza.
Guys, energy tayo.
Dress you don't like.
Masarap yung
Why? But you just ate it.
Okay, ready? Agad pero sa ano ko? Because like ito siya yung birthday cards.
Creepy? Is good.
Ito.
Tawag sa comedian.
I think I can sleep here.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yes.
Pizza wrap.
Makaru. Kailangan ko si Makaru.
Di ipis?
Makaru, what do you need to make a
Naging mukbang. Kaya nga.
Yan natapon talaga sila.
Tawag si Mama Lulu.
Ano eh? Hindi may ibis.
Sorry. Okay, ready? Ay, ikaw.
Wait guys.
Mag-hire lang kami.
Naya po.
Ganun may ganun ka sa ending, may ganun ka.
Alam mo na yan, Derek.
Oo.
Namiss ko namin, Derek. Di ba pala si...
Paano choreo yun?
Paano pong...
Kasi gusto ko sana punta stage, one spot. Tapos punta lang kayo malapit dito sa crowd. Mag-inig kayo sa ring.
Pwede naman namin i-adjust din.
Yung audio.
natin sila ng ring check.
Hindi, from the stage na pumunta sila, sayo-sayo sila doon. Sorry, tapos rarampa sila papunta sa crowd.
Meron din. Meron part po doon.
Parang dito, close to the people. Sayo-sayo ganyan, tapos ending sa parang three spots.
Sige po. Okay po.
Sige. Songs yung muna, tapos performance.
Okay po. Thank you po.
Nakatawa si Mama Lulu. Okay, Chloe ako, Chloe. Nakatawa si Mama Lulu.
Sorry. Nabagabotsin. It's not there. No!
Nakatawa si Makma. Nakatawa si Makma.
You're so white. You're so red and white. I'm so blue.
Galing mo siya sa kaibigan. Nakatawa si Mama Lulu. Sige, si Mama Lulu.
New wallpaper.
Nakatawa si Makma. Si Makma. Nakatawa si Makma.
Who's he? Hey! Hey! In front of your...
Oh, pantay.
Can I hug? Yes. Hey! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What?
Okay, Kuya Wendell, last reaction, Kuya Wendell. Sige, nagigigil si Kuya Wendell. Nagigigil.
Nakita nyo na yung bagong Nixie? Handa kayo.
Galing sa lalaki. Biglang pinabigil na ka na Wendell yung Kuya Wendell. Nagigigil.
Sabi ni JM yung ano.
Okay.
Yung parang sila.
Okay. Nagigigil.
Kasi si JM. Siyempre wala.
Nakabahan si Chloe. Nakabahan si Chloe.
Hindi pa yung pinakain ng kakao.
Nakabahan si Chloe.
So full!
Okay, kaya si Kuya Wendell.
Kumandi sila, no?
Everybody's drinking water. My
Ay,
wife.
ba't kayo? Kay Harris. Kay Harris. Ay,
Oh, maybe it's for your damit.
Kay Harris.
Kanina.
Lance, tinutulog kayo pa ka
Because you're wearing green to kanina. Isang pasa.
Makmak, tingin makmak.
It's green na eh. So it's like what it's been there. Oo.
Baka sa gown. Piling sa gown.
What gown?
Sa deguno.
Why, what would...
Last reaction,
Pero
Chloe.
kasi dito lang naman. Baka gumagano ako.
Masakit ba
You
yun?
went and tingin makmak.
Someone like
I
did
think
this
the
to
pain
you.
is familiar eh.
Yeah.
Ito.
Iisangin kayo kay
Oh,
makmak
maybe
sa
me.
version.
No, that's
Ito, pakita ko na sa palo si
I don't
makmak.
told you like that naman. You are fights me.
Ito na, next action. Tumayo, third round.
Ako natigil ako. Baka nasa ano sila.
Ayan, sa pala tayo. Nabubog si makmak. Ito na yung pantay na. Mainit na yung laban. Mainit na yung laban.
What's so many things?
Okay, then.
Dami nung.
Di ba? Ako kasi nahiya. Ay, nahiya kasi ako eh.
Oo, maganda sila pantay na. Paano ka na
Kung sino natitin nyo ka?
Wala na to. Pinapanood nyo na lang kung paano kami pag natanta kami. Totoo. Oh, she's here. Oh, we're complete. We're not.
Lance, yeah. Okay, stand. Stand by.
We are.
Roll, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action! bahala sa inyo. Sige, ayun na, kapay! Ayan, sundan. Nagsasabayan, nagsasabayan! Nagbibigayan, nagbibigayan!
Give me the cash!
Nagbibigayan, sige! Sige! Sige!
Lakasan nyo!
Okay, glowing, nakakusap sa'yo! Nagbibigayan, nagbibigayan!
Wait! Hey, you mute!
We mute you guys. This is not nice. Or we end it as well. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Everybody say bye-bye. Wait. Oh my God. Hey. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, people.